Today's a very special day for the entire in-orbit service assembly manufacturing community because it's the very first UK conference for IOSM. I'm very pleased to be here. I'm proud to be part of a community that's going to be pushing the very boundaries of space itself. I very much hope this is the first of many successful conferences.
I think we need the conference today for a few different reasons. Definitely it's about facilitating the conversations, the introductions. Hopefully people will go away from today knowing more than they knew, knowing more people than they knew in this field.
The wonderful thing about IOSM is just how many different facets there are.
In the short term, the industry has focused very specifically on debris removal, that agility around another body. This is what we need to fix first.
So we'll see that side of things grow, the removal of defunct satellites and rocket bodies. One of the main reasons that satellites have to go out of commission, if you like, is because they simply run out of fuel. But in-orbit servicing is exactly the sort of thing that can then make best use of the technology on board.
That's then the starting point for really big changes, because that means you can start to manufacture things by assembling things together in space. If you can assemble things together in space, you can build volumes that you can do clever things inside.
But as we start to look out over 10 years, maybe over 15 or 20 years, we can start to harness technologies that just don't exist yet. So to give an example of that, space-based solar power. You know, even the hottest countries have nights, but by stationing satellites in space, they can be continuously in the sun's glare with no atmosphere in between, no chance of rain or cloud. But we have to build them in space. These are very, very big structures, bigger than anything we've ever built in space.
The thing about IOSM is it's such a difficult problem to solve, and there are so many different ways of using it as well that we just need everybody in the room. You know, the Space Agency and the Catapult co-founding and co-sponsoring a conference like this is a very clear signal of intent that we really want to make this work for the UK.